Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you another South Indian recipe which is traditionally served in the temples, and it is a very easy and quick way, and it's one of my favorites. And whenever I go to the temple, like when I was a child, I love this rice, but I'm not sure how to make it, but eventually I learned how to make it. And these are the ingredients that I have right now. I'll show you. This is ground black pepper, fresh curry leaves, urad dal, oil, salt, dry chili optional, and mustard seed, and cooked rice. So let's make with this, and let's see how it turns out. So let's get into the kitchen. A very quick one, and I'll show you the details more. So to start off this video, this dish, I turn on the stove to a medium high, and I'm going to add approximately about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add about 1 or half teaspoon of cumin of this mustard seed, and I'm going to let it crackle. Dear viewers, now as you can see, the mustard seed is crackling. I'll wait for a little bit until the mustard seed is fully crackled, and I'll come back. Hello viewers, now the mustard seed has already finished crackling, and now I'm going to add the urad dal. It's approximately about 1 to 2 teaspoons, but it's according to your desire. The more the tastier. So I'm just leaving it like that, and I'm going to add some curry leaves. As I said, I showed you the dried leaves, but I'm not going to add the dried leaves, and I'm going to add the curry leaves right now. And you can see the urad dal has changed its color. And right now I'm going to add the cooked rice. Along with this, I'm going to add some salt according to your taste. At this moment, I'm going to add some water, just a sprinkle, 1 or 2. And the rice which I have cooked was only 70%. That is one of the reasons I have to sprinkle some water to cook the rice a little bit more. And I'm going to add some of the black pepper. I'm going to use, it's eyeballing it, and now I'm just going to use approximately about half a teaspoon only, half a teaspoon to 3/4 teaspoon, and stir fry the rice. This is a quick snack and quick meal. You can use it in your homes, and there's a dish that goes well with it. I'm going to show you in my upcoming next video. So this is how the pepper rice is being made. And finally, I'm going to add some ghee. I did not show you the ghee or unsalted butter, and I'm just going to add a little bit just to flavor up this piece. So approximately about 1 to 2 teaspoons, but this is all according to your desire, how much you want to. And the rice is ready, and I'll come back in a short moment. Hello viewers, and here is my final product of the pepper rice, and I also have the Paneer Sambal. You can check the link on the below. And I also have some fried papadums. You will see a video on that as well, and that is the combo that goes well with it. And so I ask you to try. And also today is it's also celebrated as a Good Friday, so it is the Passion Day for our Lord Jesus Christ. So I would like you to, it's a day of fasting and abstinence. It's a perfect meal for abstinence as well. So do try and let me know. And and I'll see you with another video. And also do subscribe and share the channel with everyone. May you have a good Easter Triduum. Bye bye.